and logging into the bedroom looks recorded.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Muncul incidentally, hot and cold talking of crime has not held for 5 days.
Audio Jungle. 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 Audio Jungle.
Okay, I finished the current outside and your blood pressure is
Audio Jungle.
170 and your body temperature is 39 derajat Celsius.
Audio Jungle.
Okay, now
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Ma'am, have you finished taking care of the patient administration?
Yes, nurse.
Okay, now I will do the assessment. Here I will ask a few questions. The goal is to find out the complaint from you. The time I need is only 20 minutes. Are you willing?
Yes, nurse.
Who is your full name?
My name is Jihan Adalin Harun. You can call me Jihan.
How old are you now?
I'm 17 years old.
What religion is Jihan?
I'm Muslim.
What is the daily work of Jihan?
I work as a student in UNG.
What is your house address?
I live in Dewi Sartika Street.
How many days you start coughing?
I have been coughing for 5 days.
What type of cough does the phlegm feel or not?
Cough and phlegm.
Does the cough emit sputum or some viscous liquid?
No, nurse. I cough with the phlegm, but the sputum is difficult to remove.
Other than coughing, what other complaint do you feel?
In addition to coughing that has been 5 days, my body is all suddenly hot, feeling feverish and weak.
Jihan experiencing tightness.
Yes, nurse.
Have you ever had lung problems such as asthma or TB?
No, nurse.
Have you ever used an inhaler?
No, nurse.
Do you use oxygen at home?
No, nurse.
Well, ma'am, I have done the assessment. Well, so the problem experienced by the Jihan are coughing, fever, tightness, and no appetite. After this, we will call doctor for the further test. And before I leave, do you have anything to ask, ma'am?
No, nurse, please do the best for my child.
Alright, if you don't ask, I will permission and I will go back with doctor.
Alright, nurse.
Excuse me, doctor. Doctor, please come to the emergency room. There is a patient.
Alright, let's do that. How is the patient condition?
From the result of my examination, the patient is shortness of breath, and the respiration rate is 32 per minute, and the blood pressure is 100 per 70, and the pulse is 18 per minute, and the body temperature is 39 derajat Celsius.
Alright, please follow up after the move the wall.
Alright, doctor.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Jihan, ma'am. My name is Siditya. I'm a nurse on duty
Mom, I'm done doing the war confession. Before I go, any question?
No, nurse.
And then you will continue to take the war confession to the Mrs. Jihan till the body temperature of Mrs. Jihan is not go down.
Alright, nurse.
My work is finished, and later I will be back for 5 minutes to check the sputum of Mrs. Jihan.
Thank you, nurse.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Jihan.
Afternoon, says.
As I said before, I will take your sputum. Are you willing?
Yes.
Yes, please. Alright, Mom. My assessment is finished. Before I go, any question?
When will the result be resolved?
Later I will be say if the result of the sputum sample is out of the laboratory.
Oh, yes, nurse. Thank you.
And before I go, any question?
No, nurse.
And I will be back to check the patient condition. And if you have a question, you can find me in the nurse station.
Yes.
Excuse me. Good afternoon, Mrs. Jihan, ma'am. Well, I have a group of the results sputum sample of Mrs. Jihan, and the result of sputum sample Mrs. Jihan is good, ma'am. And Mrs. Jihan just cold and cough. And then Mrs. Jihan, what do you feel now? You still feeling crowded?
No,
Then can you expel the expectoration?
not yet.
And then I will teach you about chest physiotherapy. Previously, are you heard this therapy?
Not yet.
Then the therapy is done by the patting of Mrs. Jihan back. So your crutch is being removed and you does feels to be anymore. The time is 5 until 10 minutes.
Petit, is the dangerous, nurse?
Don't worry, ma'am. It's not dangerous for your chair. And Mrs. Jihan, are you willing?
Yes, nurse. Please.
Okay. Now I will start doing the physiotherapy chest. Mrs. Jihan, please sit up. Excuse me, Mrs. Jihan.
Yes, nurse.
You can remove the sputum in the and now you can remove. Very good. The sputum is out. How do you feel now?
More relieved and more comfortable too.
My job is done. And before I leave, do you have any question for me?
No.
Alright. Because you don't have a question, I permission if you have something or have a question for me, you can find me in the nurse station.
Audio Jungle.
Good afternoon, doctor. of Miss Jihan has improved. Can we recommend them to go home?
Where is the record of the game?
This is the
Let's check. Hello Jian, how are you feeling?
Better than yesterday, doctor.
What about her eating, ma'am?
It is good, doctor. No, he has never left his food again.
Ma'am, I have good news. Today, Miss Jihan can go to home.
later this evening, Nurse Dia will come to prepare for the return of Miss Jihan.
Yes, nurse.
Audio Jungle.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Jihan. I'm Miss Dia. I'm here to prepare the tour of your child. Let me get your attention.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
I have things to your attention. In the future, please take care of your health and please monitor your child's breath to catch dangerous disease and virus. Oh yes, ma'am, if you are outside, go out of the pool, like on the road, don't forget to use the mask to avoid pollution because it can interfere for your health. In addition, if the Mrs. Jihan or you or your family has cough and sputum is difficult to expel, you can practice the chest therapy and that is I will teach you about a few days ago. Okay?
Okay, thank you for the information, nurse.
Alright, then Mrs. Jihan and mom can go to the home.
Thank you for your caring for my child.